Hello, and welcome back to the land of the seven suns with Fishy Plantman as your host. Okay, this was going to be an update video on the strawberries in the fish tank. I was going to show, and still am, going to show how they reacted to going in the water, 24 hours. The shock. We'll get to that in a second. I thought I would film these blooms really quick. There's two of them. There's another one down there. Yeah, it's about dead. I kept putting them off and putting them off. Well, if I put them off any longer, they will be dead. Like that one pretty much is. But they're yellow. Looks like all three of these cactuses are yellow. Okay, not sure why anybody would do that, but I got them secondhand. I didn't know what color they were. So yeah, I got three yellow ones. Doesn't look like the person owned them very long before giving them up. They're still in that, paper that they came in. So that they didn't even transplant them once. Of course, neither have I. I haven't transplanted them yet either. So, but there are three yellow ones. I don't know if they did that on purpose. I'm guessing probably, but who knows. Somebody bought three yellow ones and apparently didn't even keep them long enough to transplant them before giving them up. Don't know what happened. I hope it's not bad, but yeah, I got a bunch of free plants, so yeah, that part's good. So yeah, these are the cactuses. It looks like all three are going to be yellow. And we will now move to the strawberries. Well, the ones inside. Got the ones outside too, but yeah. Anyway, here we go. Strawberry time. Alright. Take two. This is the strawberry I brought in and put in the fish tank. We won't go down into the water because, once again, I forgot to clean the algae. The other thing I did do, and I did this before putting the plant in there, I turned this filter back up. I had it down on minimum. It didn't seem to be helping a whole lot. And yeah, it ended up getting turned back up to full blast. So, that's that. As far as the plant goes, I can't tell if it's noticed that anything happened. It doesn't appear to have noticed, as far as I can tell, that anything happened. Maybe I haven't waited long enough, but I figured if it was going to go into shock, it would show in this 24-hour-ish period. As far as I can tell, the plant didn't even notice that it came out of dirt and was plunked in water. Yeah. At this point, I can't tell. So, yeah, I guess that's the update. I think in the beginning babbling, I said I was going to show the one outside. I'll tack that on the end, even though it was the first thing filmed today. I'll put it on the end. So if it sounds like it's kind of out of sequence, it is. I filmed outside first several hours ago while it was still light. Now it is well into evening. It's dark out, so I wouldn't be able to film now. but it's already done. So, without further ado, the outside plant that is in dirt. Alright, here is the little strawberry that is growing outside. Never been disturbed in its life. That's how well it's doing. It's about 3 or 4 inches across anyway. I'm going to say somewhere in between 3 and 4 inches across there. Yeah, that's the one that was never disturbed. And here is the home on the back side of the same pot. You can see where the dirt's disturbed a little bit. That's where I took the other one from. So, yeah. I just thought I would show, and this is red hot poker growing in here. I know it doesn't really look like it, but it is. I just thought I would show, that's what the other one looks like. Alright, a little bit later I will do an update on the one inside that did get disturbed, but I want to wait a couple hours at least. When it starts getting dark, I'll probably do the update, but then it'll be dark and we won't be able to see this one very well. So, that's the one that wasn't disturbed. Talk to you next time.